Hi guys, final day.
It
We
is the
got
final
fire.
day. We got our burritos cooking right now, and then we're just gonna basically be packing things up, and then hopefully we can do some mini golf. But otherwise, it's the final day. We're just gonna take our time with leaving. We're gonna eat our fantastic burritos and Pop-Tarts. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're done camping for the week. Unfortunately, we have to leave, even though we did have a fantastic,
Splendid time.
swimming, fishing, even
Occasionally, attempted fishing.
though we had a lot of fun fishing, even though we didn't catch anything. Yes, of course.
Our friend Cheese.
Our friend Cheese, we love Cheese.
You guys know and hopefully love Cheese.
And then hiking. Hiking was really fun.
We hiked.
We got to see,
Beautiful scenery.
yes, we got to see the waterfalls, which were pretty cool. We got to have some fun in the waters, in the rapids.
The swimmy dimmy.
The swimmy dimmy.
I got. Alright guys, we had to make a quick stop before we leave. When we were swimming, we found a cool rock. We're hiking to go get it right now.
Isaac, what have we acquired?
Rock.
Don't throw it. Don't do it, Isaac. No.
Oopsie, it slipped out of my hand. Rock has been caught. Time to go play some mini golf.
And whoever wins mini golf gets the rock. All right, guys, we made it to Black Beach. It's not very black or very beachy. Skip a rock.
Alright, delete that, delete. Great.
All right, update, guys. Now we are at Black Beach, which looks a little more black to me.
The other one we were at was a fraud.
Agreed. Update, we are leaving the Black Beach and heading to Betty's Pies.
Or somewhere else, we don't know yet.
Or somewhere else. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
Yes, sir.
And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Go ahead when you're ready.
Welcome to our campsite. We are.
All right, go.
Welcome.
Go.
Welcome.
Perfect.